Sneezing, stuffy nose, runny nose, sore throat, coughing, fever, watery eyes, body ache. You feel tired and weak. Kids, they become very cranky, and the parents have a hard time when the kids suffer from cold and cough. It's very simple. What you need is this orange color sketch pen, and you have to apply this from the first joint till the second joint. In between, make two circles like this and apply orange color. This you can apply and keep it to protect your kid also from cough and cold. And if the kid suffers from cough and cold, apply this. It'll be very, very helpful.